In this video, we show you how to lay out a picture collage on your wall. For this project, you will need a roll of craft paper, painter's tape, a pen, scissors, a level, picture hanging hardware, and a hammer. The first step is to outline and cut out paper sheets of each picture frame you want on your wall. Next, use the painter's tape to hang the paper sheets. Make sure they are level as you add them to your design. Once your placeholders are set, it's time to hang the pictures. Reference the back of your picture frame to know the distance from the top of the frame to the hardware. Measure and mark your sheets, and then set your nails. You are now ready to remove the paper sheets and hang your pictures. If you have any questions about this process, call Home Spectors at 336-382-7269.